stronger than before. That's the truth most people never see coming. The truth born out of nights where you break quietly, where the world feels heavy enough to crush you, where your reflection stops looking like someone you recognize, yet somehow the weakest version of you dies, and a new one slowly rises, piece by piece, scar by scar, breath by breath. And maybe you don't even notice it at first. Maybe you don't realize how far you've come, how much you've endured, how many storms you walked through when every part of you wanted to collapse. But growth is quiet. Transformation is quiet. Rebirth is quiet. And strength, real strength, is forged in the silence, where no applause exists, no comfort exists, no shortcuts exist. Only you, your pain, and the decision to rise or remain broken forever. And if you're here now, listening, breathing, trying, fighting, even when no one sees it, that alone means something inside you refused to stay down. Refused to stay weak. Refused to stay trapped in who you used to be. And that refusal, that tiny spark, is how you become stronger than before. You see, there comes a moment in every life where you face yourself, the real you. The one hidden beneath excuses, patterns, old wounds, and the personality you built to survive. And when you finally strip all of that away, the anger, the fear, the self-doubt, the habits that kept you small, what's left is the raw version of you, the version that feels every hit deeply, the version that breaks easily, but also the version that can change, evolve, rebuild, reinvent, the version capable of becoming something extraordinary if you're willing to confront the darkness you've avoided for years. The darkness that shaped you, trapped you, held you, and yet somehow also pushed you toward the edge where transformation becomes possible. Life isn't about avoiding pain, it's about learning from it, mastering it, letting it carve you into someone more aware, more grounded, more disciplined, more unshakable. Because the truth is, the strongest people you've ever admired weren't handed strength. They earned it through battles no one saw, through silent nights of doubt, through losses that shattered their identity, through failures that stripped their pride, and through choices that demanded sacrifice. No one else understood, and you, right now, standing in your own chaos, in your own transition, in your own unfinished story, you are becoming one of those people, even if you can't feel it yet. The broken version of you was not your end. It was your beginning. The moment the old identity cracked open so the new one could breathe. And that's the part people forget. Growth isn't beautiful. It's brutal. It's lonely. It's confusing. It's the tearing down of who you were so you can build who you were meant to be. And yes, it hurts. It hurts to outgrow your past. It hurts to walk away from habits that numb you. It hurts to leave behind people who never matched your future. It hurts to choose discipline over distraction. It hurts to break cycles you once called comfort. But every step you take away from the old you, every boundary, every choice, every discipline, every sacrifice becomes the blueprint of a stronger life. And every time you wake up tired but push forward anyway, every time you feel lost but still keep searching, every time you fall but stand again, something inside you sharpens, strengthens, transforms. You don't become powerful by avoiding struggle. You become powerful by surviving it, by understanding it, by letting it shape you instead of destroy you. And that is how identity is rebuilt, not by wishing for change, but by weathering the storms that demand it. And listen closely. There will always be a part of you that wants to go back. Back to who you were, back to what was familiar, even if it hurt you, even if it limited you, even if it kept you small. Because the mind clings to comfort, even toxic comfort. But the heart knows better. The soul knows better. The future version of you knows better. The version waiting on the other side of discipline. The version you dream about at night. The version you keep imagining, even when you pretend you don't. That version of you, the stronger you, is built in moments exactly like this. Moments when you feel unsure, unprepared, overwhelmed, yet something inside you whispers, keep going. you do. And every time you do, you become harder to break, harder to discourage, harder to manipulate, harder to derail. Strength isn't loud. It's not dramatic. It's not something the world notices right away. Strength is built quietly, slowly, relentlessly, through decisions no one else witnesses, through battles no one else hears, through growth no one applauds, through progress only you can feel, until one day you wake up and realize you don't react the way you used to. You don't break the way you used to. You don't fear the way you used to. You don't fall for the same patterns, the same emotions, the same traps, because you have changed at a level so deep that the old version of you no longer fits, no longer aligns, no longer exists. Becoming stronger than before means letting go of the identity that was built in survival mode, the identity that fought just to stay afloat, and stepping into the identity built in purpose, clarity, discipline, and self-respect. The identity built for the life you want, not the life you outgrew. But here's the part that hits hardest. Strength is not just about enduring pain. It's about learning from it, analyzing it, transforming it into wisdom, using it as fuel, not fear, because pain is information. Pain is feedback. Pain is the teacher that shows you where you must grow, where you must heal, where you must change. And when you stop running from it, you take back power you didn't even know you lost. The strongest people aren't the ones who avoid suffering. They're the ones who evolve through it. The ones who take their shattered pieces and rebuild with intention, patience, and fire. The ones who stop asking why life hit them and start asking what they can build from the impact. And this is where you stand now, on the edge of your old life and the beginning of your new one, in the space between who you were and who you're becoming, in the quiet battlefield where your mind and your future collide. And you must decide which version of yourself wins. Will you fall back into patterns that kept you weak, or rise into habits that make you unstoppable? Will you cling to the person you were, or create the person you need to be? Will you allow pain to define you, or refine you? This transformation, your transformation, demands discipline, demands sacrifice, demands honesty, demands that you confront the parts of yourself you've avoided for years, the wounds you've ignored, the truths you've buried. Because strength is not built in pretending you're fine. It's built in facing the parts of you that aren't. And slowly, painfully, beautifully, you become someone new, someone sharper, someone wiser, someone more aligned with the life you're meant to live. You break old habits, not because you want to, but because your future depends on it. You set boundaries, not to hurt others, but to protect your growth. You remove people who drain you, poison you, weaken you, because you finally realize your energy is sacred. You build routines that strengthen your mind, your body, your spirit. You let discipline replace motivation, consistency replace excuses, purpose replace fear. And as time passes, days, weeks, months, something incredible happens. You evolve. You rise. You transform. You become someone your past self would kneel before in disbelief. And this journey, your journey, will not be easy. But easy doesn't change you. Easy doesn't shape you. Easy doesn't build warriors, leaders, legends. Struggle does. Failure does. Pain does. The moments where you have every reason to quit but choose to continue anyway. So stand tall now, in your chaos, in your growth, in your becoming, because you are not who you once were. You are not the broken version, the scared version, the lost version. You are stronger, wiser, deeper, more aware, more disciplined, more dangerous in the best way. You are becoming someone your old life could never contain, someone your old habits could never sustain. You are rising painfully, slowly, powerfully, into the version of yourself you were always meant to become. And when this chapter closes, when you look back at everything you survived, everything you changed, everything you rebuilt from nothing, you'll understand the truth that carried you forward. You were broken once, But now you rise as someone even you can barely recognize. And as you move forward, step by step, breath by breath, day by day, something inside you begins to stabilize. The chaos quiets. The storms inside you lose their control. The emotions that once drowned you start to obey you. Because strength is not just about rising. It's about learning to stand with certainty, with clarity, with a heart that no longer trembles every time life whispers a threat. And you begin to notice the shift, the way you choose differently, think differently, respond differently. The way you stop chasing validation because you finally validate yourself. The way you stop fearing loneliness because you finally realize solitude is where warriors are built. The way you stop begging for support because you've become the kind of person who can support themselves. The way you stop breaking over small setbacks because your mind has been hardened by everything you survived. And suddenly, the world that once intimidated you begins to feel smaller, quieter, less powerful. Because you have become bigger inside, stronger inside, sharper inside. And that internal evolution is the only transformation that truly matters. You stop running from your past because you've outgrown it.